Today, I'll show you how to build your website in Flozy. First, go to the Pages section. This is where you can build websites, landing pages, and link in bios for social media. Since you can build unlimited sites, you'd be able to build websites not only for yourself, but also for your clients. Click Your First Site and you'll see all the templates we've built so far. We're always adding new templates, so you can always come back to the section if you want a fresh look. I like this dark template for agencies. We've got a clear headline, a video for prospects to watch, call to action, covers services, and you've got your calendar, which is the most important part, where clients can book their calls. So I'm going to select that one and I'll name it Demo Site. So now we're in the website editor and there's a lot we can do in here. If we go over to the section setting, you can see you can add any of these sections just by clicking one of them. The good thing is, since you're using a template, you already have all these sections included. But if you did want to build a website from scratch, these sections would be very useful. You can always go back to templates over here and see other templates if you want a different style. So let me show you what you could actually change in the editor to make this website look completely different. First, let's start by changing colors here. Let's do some green. Let's change the button color as well. I think that's the right one. If you do want to get very specific with the hex code, you can actually come over here into text color, copy the hex code, and this will make sure that you're staying consistent with your colors all throughout your site. There we go. Now we have the right one. We can even change the border for this video, that consistent green. Let's change the background as well and go for green. We've got a gradient here, so it'll look cool. You'll also want to make sure that your logo and your icons are in your brand color, so you can use a tool like Figma to create your own icons. I went ahead and created a logo. So we'll remove the current one, upload image. This is the one I created, which matches the colors. Another thing is we want to make sure that when people click our menu options, it goes to the right place. Because right now, we'll look at the preview. If I click our services, it doesn't really take us anywhere. So the way we are going to set this up is we'll go over to the services section, for example, and you'll click settings. You're going to give it a section name like services and save. Then we're going to go back to this menu, hit settings and go over to our services. And you're going to enter hashtag services. This is case sensitive, so do make sure that you have that correct, otherwise it won't work. And then we'll save it, publish it. When we click our services, it does take us to our services now. As I mentioned before, the calendar is the most important part of your website so that your prospects can actually book a call with you. So you're going to enter your discovery call URL here, which you're going to get from Calendly or from Flozy Booking. You'll save it and you're going to see your calendar will come up here so that people can book with you. So let's preview the site again. Obviously there are some small things that you could change here, but you kind of get the idea of how to edit your website. So once you're happy with it, we're going to go ahead and publish. You can enter a description like we help you get leads. You're going to upload your logo again here. There we go. And your domain. We're going to verify that and verify. Awesome. And save. Once that's all done, you're going to go ahead and hit publish, and there you go. You've published your first website inside Flozy.